Hey there, Shopify sellers! Welcome back to our channel. Running an online store on Shopify is exciting, but if you're like most store owners, you'd rather focus on growing your business, launching new products, and connecting with customers instead of spending hours reconciling transactions and figuring out tax rates for different countries. But here's the truth. Good financial management can make or break your Shopify business. Without it, you're essentially flying blind, making decisions based on gut feeling rather than actual data. A question I get asked a lot is whether you can just handle your bookkeeping directly within Shopify. While Shopify does provide some basic financial reports, relying solely on the platform for your accounting isn't practical or efficient. Here's why. You'll need to download multiple reports, combine them manually, and make sure everything lines up correctly. This process is not only time-consuming, but also prone to errors, especially as your transaction volume increases. The complexity of managing sales volume, varying tax rates, and different types of fees makes it easy to miss something important or make calculation mistakes. Rather than spending hours on manual bookkeeping within Shopify, most successful store owners use dedicated accounting software that integrates with their store. Today, I'm going to break down Shopify bookkeeping in a way that's actually understandable, even if you're not a numbers person. We'll cover everything from the basics to automation that can save you hours every week. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our latest e-commerce tips. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Shopify accounting? Simply put, it's the process of tracking and managing all the financial transactions related to your Shopify store. This includes your sales, expenses, fees, taxes, and inventory costs. Good Shopify accounting gives you clear visibility into your store's financial health. It tells you if you're actually profitable, helps you stay tax compliant, and provides the data you need to make smart business decisions. It's more than just knowing how much money is in your bank account. It's understanding the complete financial picture of your business. Shopify accounting has several important components that you need to manage. First, there's tracking all those fees and charges. Shopify itself charges fees. Then there are payment gateway fees, shipping costs, and app subscriptions. These can add up quickly and eat into your profits if you're not watching them. Inventory management is crucial. You need to know how much your products cost, what your current inventory is worth, and how efficiently you're turning over stock. For sellers who ship internationally, you'll deal with multiple currency transactions. Converting different currencies accurately and handling exchange rates can get complicated fast. You'll also need to reconcile payment gateway discrepancies. Sometimes what Shopify says you sold doesn't exactly match with how much shows in your bank account. Returns and reimbursements need tracking too. Every refund affects both your revenue and your inventory. And then there's taxes, whether it's VAT in the UK, GST in Australia, or sales tax in the US. Each jurisdiction has its own rules, and you need to stay compliant everywhere you sell. Managing all this manually is possible when you're just starting out, but it quickly becomes overwhelming as your store grows. Next, let's look at how to make Shopify bookkeeping much easier with the right tech stack. The most efficient approach is connecting Shopify directly to accounting software like Xero or QuickBooks using LinkMyBooks. The best part? It is completely free to start. Check the description box for access links. Here's how this setup works. First, connect your Shopify store to LinkMyBooks, which then connects to your accounting software. You'll run through a quick setup wizard to ensure the correct accounts and tax rates are applied to your transactions. The system automatically verifies all your Shopify transactions, ensuring everything is categorized correctly for tax purposes. It creates detailed summaries in your accounting software, breaking down each payment into sales, refunds, and fees, with the proper accounts and tax rates already applied. Best of all, when a payout hits your bank account, you can reconcile it with just one click instead of matching hundreds of individual transactions. This automation saves you hours every week and significantly reduces the chance of errors in your books. Automating your Shopify accounting offers several huge advantages. First, it saves you an enormous amount of time. Instead of spending hours on manual data entry and reconciliation, everything syncs automatically. It dramatically reduces human error. When dealing with hundreds or thousands of transactions, manual mistakes are almost inevitable. Automation eliminates this risk. You'll save money by avoiding costly accounting mistakes and being able to spot issues like unexpected fees or overcharges quickly. You won't overpay on taxes because the system ensures accurate tracking of all expenses and deductions. You get strategic business insights through detailed financial reports and real-time data. These insights help you understand which products are most profitable, where you might be overspending, and how to optimize your operations. Tax filing becomes much simpler when all your financial data is organized in one place. And finally, you get enhanced security and peace of mind, knowing your financial data is safely stored and backed up. Good accounting isn't just about satisfying tax authorities. It's crucial for your business's success. It ensures you stay compliant with tax laws across all the regions where you sell. This helps you avoid penalties and problems during tax season. It gives you a clear understanding of your store's financial health. You'll know exactly how profitable you are, which products have the best margins, and where your money is going. It helps you plan for the future with confidence. Whether you want to launch new products, expand to new markets, or eventually sell your business, good financial data is essential. It streamlines your overall financial management by centralizing all your financial activities in one place. And if you ever decide to exit your business, having clean, organized financial records will significantly increase your store's value to potential buyers. Let's talk about the real challenges Shopify sellers face with their accounting. Manual bookkeeping is incredibly time-consuming. Downloading reports, entering data, and reconciling accounts can eat up hours that can be better spent on growing your business. The volume of transactions can quickly become overwhelming, especially during busy seasons or sales events. International sales create complex tax liabilities that vary by country and region. Integrating Shopify with accounting systems can be technically challenging without the right tools. Managing multiple revenue streams and expenses across different channels or product lines adds another layer of complexity. Manual data entry inevitably leads to errors that can compound over time, and reconciling your financial data with bank statements often reveals discrepancies that can be difficult to track down. These challenges are why many successful Shopify sellers turn to automated solutions as their business grows. Here are some practical tips to improve your Shopify accounting. Choose the right accounting method, cash or accrual, based on your business size and complexity. Cash accounting is simpler, but accrual gives you a clearer long-term picture. Keep your personal and business finances completely separate. This is absolutely crucial for accurate accounting and clean tax filing. Use accounting software that integrates with Shopify rather than trying to manage everything manually. Maintain organized records and receipts, invoices, and transactions. This organization will save you enormous headaches at tax time. Perform regular financial reviews to catch discrepancies early, before they become major issues. Set aside specific time each week or month for accounting tasks so they don't pile up. Stay informed about tax regulations that affect your Shopify business, especially if you sell internationally. Consider consulting with an e-commerce accountant who understands the specific challenges of online selling. Their expertise can be invaluable as your business grows. 3 key financial reports every Shopify seller should understand. The profit and loss statement, or income statement, shows your revenue, expenses, and profit over a specific period. It tells you whether your store is actually making money after all costs are considered. The balance sheet gives you a snapshot of what your business owns versus what it owes at a specific point in time. It helps assess your overall financial position and stability. The cash flow statement tracks money moving in and out of your business. This is critical because you can be profitable on paper, but but still face cash flow problems if your timing is off. Industry benchmarking is also valuable. Comparing your performance metrics against similar businesses helps you identify areas for improvement and set realistic goals. These reports and comparisons give you the insights needed to make informed business decisions. Beyond these reports, here are the critical metrics you should monitor. Cost of goods sold, COGS, represents what it costs you to produce or purchase the products that you sell. Tracking this accurately is essential for understanding your true profitability. Gross margin shows what percentage of your revenue exceeds your COGS. It's a key indicator of your pricing strategy's effectiveness and your overall profitability. Inventory turnover measures how quickly you're selling and replacing inventory. A higher rate usually indicates efficient inventory management, while a lower rate might signal overstocking or slow-moving products. Returns ratio tracks the percentage of products returned compared to total sales. Monitoring this helps identify quality issues or misleading product descriptions. Customer lifetime value, LTV, represents the total revenue you can expect from a single customer over your relationship. Understanding this helps guide your marketing and retention strategies. Customer acquisition cost, CAC, measures what you spend to acquire each new customer. Ideally, your LTV should be 2 to 3 times your CAC for a healthy, scalable business. Tracking these metrics gives you deep insights into your business's performance and helps guide your strategic decisions. Sales taxes can be one of the most challenging aspects of running a Shopify store. Depending on where you sell, you'll need to handle different tax systems. Sales tax in the US, VAT in the UK and EU, GST in Australia and New Zealand. Understanding which taxes apply to your products and where your customers are located is crucial for compliance. Tax rates and regulations change frequently, so staying updated is essential to avoid penalties. Integrating Shopify with tax software ensures that the correct tax rates are applied at the checkout and that your tax filings are accurate. This is another area where automation really pays off, as tax mistakes can be costly and time-consuming to fix. Managing your Shopify store's accounting doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right tools, you can transform it from a dreaded chore into a streamlined system that actually helps your business grow. Link My Books connects your Shopify store directly to your accounting software automatically, importing all transactions with the correct categorization and tax treatment. When payouts hit your bank account, you can reconcile them with a single click. This means less time on bookkeeping and more time focused on growing your Shopify business. You can try Link My Books free for 14 days using the link in the description below. Drop a comment below with your biggest Shopify accounting challenge. Check out our video on best Shopify accounting software. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Drop a comment below with your biggest Shopify accounting challenge. And remember, revenue is vanity. Profit is sanity. See you next time.